Hi all. I have done in my previous recording poem Kitchen at Play for the grade 3, and now we in previous class we have read the poem. I explained you a stanza wise, and also I have told you given information about the poet Williams Wordsworth. In today's class, what I'm going to do is that we will read the poem one more time with the new words, and I will do the summarization so that we can revise it. Okay. So I'll share my screen with you all with the poem. This poem has written by Williams Wordsworth. Wordsworth was born on 7th April 1770 in England at Hawkshead, a grammar school. He developed a love for poetry and began to compose it. About the facts about the cats we have discussed in previous class also. Now my intention is to revise the words, new words, the vocabulary, will improve, like sporting, playing, weathered, dried leaves, elder tree, a tree, elder tree, a tree that grows to 15 meters, has a short trunk, a few branches, and a small purple, black, sour berries. A frosty, very cold, crouches, bends close to the ground, stretches, extends one's arms or body parts, paws, feels or scraps with a paw or hoof, a darts, a moves somewhere suddenly and quickly, prey, an animal hunted for the food. Now, in this poem, I'm just in the beginning, I want to show that the kitten at play. I'm going to read the poem, then we'll summarize it. Of course, stanza wise explained to you all. See the kitten on the wall, sporting with the leaves that fall, withered leaves on two and three, falling from the elder tree through the calm and frosty air of the morning bright and fair. See the kitten, how the starts crouches, stretches, paws, and darts with the tiger leap halfway. Now she meets her coming prey, lets it go far fast, and then has it in her power again. Now she works with 3 and 4 like an Indian conjurer, quick as he in feats and of art. Gracefully she plays her part, yet were gazing thousands there. What would a little tabby care? Now I'm just going to summarize this poem. So in this poem, what the poet says, the poet says that the kitten at play here, Wordsworth says that it describes about the kitten which is taking preparation to prey. Prey means a animal hunted for meal. The poet calls us to see the activities of the kitten before prey. The kitten was playing on the wall with the falling leaves and is keeping the counting in the bright and fair morning. These leaves fall from the elder tree. The kitten bends down, stretch, and goes halfway with the tiger leap. When she comes near to her prey, she runs fast and jump on her prey. She runs fast and jump on her prey. She elegantly, that is with style, they have compared it to Indian conjurer. That means a magician of Indian, okay? So she elegantly plays a part like an Indian magician. She does not care anyone. Those thousands were gazing there, her concentration is only on the prey. So this is all about the summarization about the poem Kitten at Play. So now I want you to recite this poem, practice the new words with the meaning. I want you to read this poem, practice this with the new words, write and practice the words, and understand the meaning. And next class, we will discuss about exercise. Thank you for being with me.